You need to hear this if you love simple baking that looks fancy. 2 colors, 1 stripe, endless compliments. Let's make Battenberg the beginner's showstopper. This Battenberg loaf starts with 2 sponge batters, 1 plain, 1 tinted pink first. Whisk sugar and butter until fluffy. Beat in eggs 1 at a time. Fold in flour, split the batter. Stir in a dash of pink food coloring for that iconic pop. Then they're baked side by side in a loaf tin. Pour the batters side by side in the tin so they bake as twin stripes. Bake until golden and springy, then cool completely. No fiddly squares, no fancy molds. Here's the clever bit: brush apricot jam between the 2 halves to glue them together. Wrap the outside in a thin layer of marzipan. Slice to reveal perfect checkerboard stripes. It looks like you staged it, but you didn't. Use room temp eggs for even rise. Don't overmix. Heat the jam so it spreads smooth. Ready in about an hour from start to finish, and it keeps well, so it's perfect for gifting. Finish. 2 colors, 1 loaf, endless. How did you do that? Try this Battenberg and let the color block reveal steal the show.